isn't it? Please give him an applause again. Paul built his dream, become the winner of a French talent show when he was 15. BYD started building the green dreams since 1995. We both have dreams, and we both put a lot of effort to make the dreams become true. BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. Today, we are in this fantastic and beautiful location in the center of Paris. It was 7 years ago, Chairman Wang, the founder of BYD, with his team joined COP21 in Paris. At that conference, a lot of countries signed the Paris Agreement, a binding international treaty on the climate change. BYD also announced the solution for the electrifying public transportation. Beyond being a participant, BYD is witness and take actions. Now, BYD has some cities become 100% electrified by buses and taxis and carpooling. In Europe, over 3 million people are taking BYD electrical bus every day. New energy vehicle market grows very fast than ever. In last month, September, BYD delivered over 200,000 units EVs to our customers. We are on our way to major milestone of delivering 3 million cars in a few months. Before end of this year, I think we start BYD Europe electrical journey here with you, our partners, dealers, suppliers, and BYD colleges. We are excited to build our dreams together. Together, we have committed to European market. The team will share with you more information very shortly. I want to leave you more time for conversation in this beautiful place. Thank you for your attention, and please enjoy this evening in Paris. And let's build our dreams together. Thank you.